Hey guys, I'm here to preview a book with you. It's called We Forgot. Okay, and remember that you can access this in Epic. The directions for getting in there, I've had that on last week's stuff, so if you forgot, you can go look in last week and double check, or you can send me a message and I'll help you get through it again. Okay, so if We Forgot is about this boy, actually some of his friends who keep forgetting things. And this is sort of a preview. It says, do you forget things sometimes? Have you ever forgotten your hat? Do you ever forget to take your lunch to school? What else do you forget? So this is told a bit like, a little bit like a diary. So it tells you each day something that they forgot. So they give you the name of the day, Monday, and then it tells you what happened, what they forgot. Tuesday tells you what they forgot. What did they forget then? Can you tell what's going on here? It gives you the clue here, and then it shows you in the picture there. Ooh, Wednesday. What did they forget here? Yeah, something didn't work out quite right. Thursday, what did they forget? That's right. It looks like they forgot their umbrellas. By the way, if there is a word that you're not sure of, you can click on that word. And sometimes it will say it for you, sometimes it won't. But don't press the green arrow and have this read to you. This book is on your level, so you should be reading it by yourself. Okay, Friday, what did they forget? Well, the weather changes pretty drastically in this book, doesn't it? Saturday, what is it they forgot here? Look for the clues in the pictures. Looks like they forgot their map. So what happens when you don't know where you're going? Sunday, what did they forget? This has happened to me before. I wonder if it's happened to you or to your parents. Okay. And then they forgot something else here. I guess you can probably tell from the picture. All right, so these are our sight words that go with this story this week. You can say them with me. Ready? Went, hour, take, on, got, out, we, today. You can practice that on your own. Okay, so we're going to go back to the beginning of the story, and your job now is to go on Get Epic and read the story to yourself. And there'll be an activity for you to do that's a writing connection rather, with this book. Look for that in your folder. Happy reading.